Hello students, this is Mrs. Crumpton. I'm sorry that I can't be with you today, but I have someone who will help you and try to help you answer questions. Or if you have questions, you can ask her, and she'll do a good job, I'm sure. I have a worksheet for you that you will be receiving. I ask you to please not write on the worksheet. Other classes will be using that, and it will benefit you more to have these problems worked in your notes. So please copy the problem, yes, I said copy the problem, into your notebooks. Follow the directions that you're given, and when you get to your answer, please circle your answer. There's one particular example on the reteach sheet. It says reteach at the top, powers and exponents. I believe you'll understand example 1 and example 2. These are exactly like we've been doing in class. I want to touch base with you though on example 3 and make sure, because several students have had a hard time with these what I call pluggers and chuggers. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the property of substitution. We are told to let m equal -3 and to let n equal 2. So we're going to take that problem, m to the second power plus the quantity of n minus m that is raised to the third power. And the first thing that we're going to do is substitute the values in for the variables. So we're going to replace m with -3. Now since you've got a negative, be sure that you use parentheses to make that substitution. Next, copy the plus and the open parentheses. Replace n with 2. Next, put my minus sign, and I replace m with -3. And yes, I know it seems like a lot of parentheses there, but you got to make sure for every open parenthesis you have a closed parenthesis. All right, so let's take care following the order of operations. Parentheses first. -3 raised to the second power is the same as -3 times -3. And that is 9. Okay, next we're going to clear up what's inside the parentheses. Bring down my plus sign. And we have 2. This double negative makes a positive. That double negative. And that becomes +3. Close parentheses raised to the third power. So we actually have 2 plus 3 is 5. Let me change the color of my pen. That is actually 5 to the third power. Okay. Now I'm going to bring that 9 on over, and 5 to the third power means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And when we add those two together, we get 134. Okay, now I added some steps from what the example shows. See, our example kind of does not really tell you how they got from this step to that step. So make sure you understand, and I am absolutely positive that you all will do a great job on the reteach worksheet, and also on the back of that worksheet there is a skills practice where there are 25 more problems. Please complete these problems in class. Turn them in to your tray for your class period. Thank you so much, and I will see you on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend.